Taco Bell. I am starving. I gotta go get my tire rebalanced today because I got some stickers on this bad boy, some tire stickers. It looks pretty sick. If you want to see it, go check out my IG. You guys see everything before YouTube on IG and all the good times with the boys. We be going crazy out here, man. Yeah, it's been crazy, man. Like just everything that's going on in the summer, every time I think I'm done with this bike, there's just like more stuff I do. I got some new bar ends. I'll probably leave them in the link in the description, but they're pretty nice. We might be adding a cruise control. I won't say the company's name yet. We'll see if that goes through, but they might be sending me a little something, because you know what I'm saying, we don't do free promotions out here. Cut that check, you feel me? No, but I'm actually interested in their product, and it seems like out of all the cruise controls I've seen, this one just looks very like just easy to work with, and it just fits on the bike. It's like not that intrusive, and it's better than the one that's on the end of this. Those seem horrible. They get stuck, they like don't adjust right, like it's just bad. Also, we might be doing a quarter throttle. My friend has one on his race spec CBR 600RR, and I might add that to the bike. But I'm not gonna do the full one where like you fully turn it and it's just like balls to the wall. I'm gonna do the gradual one, where like, yeah, if you give it all that throttle, like it's gonna put you there at a quarter turn, like it's gonna give you full throttle, but in the beginning it kind of eases it a little bit. I think that'll work better, since, you know, I primarily ride on the street. I do want to do some track stuff, but you know, that'll come when it comes. Maybe when I get my new bike, I'll track this one out. There's just so much going on, man. Like, I'm trying to get a truck, I'm trying to get a house. I'm back on my bike in the fucking seat. Yeah. Yeah, my fault, man.
So wait, oh, you're saying that we're not doing the front. You just need to do the
yeah, just the back. because the weights come out too far this way.
So you want me to try to put them in the inside or something?
Yeah, would that work? Or just like more inside maybe? I mean, even then, that sticker doesn't come all the way back here. So I think even if you got it like here,
oh, so I can put it here?
yeah, I think it should work. I'll grab one out and see. It's hot as fuck, man.
Hot as hell. I'm telling you. That shit's like going, oh, 1X2, okay.
Yeah, I just copped it, man.
Tracking on them?
Everybody getting in my way today. Oh. Bro, get over! Fuck, man. Like it's gonna take you 30 years to just get over? Oh my god. I normally don't even get upset about anything, man. I guess it's on me though. I am blind, so I can't be mad. It's super hot, but like since the sun's not beaming like it was yesterday, it feels a lot better. I honestly feel nothing. It's scary. It made my top flip upside down. See if we can fix that. Alright, bro.
I appreciate it, thank you.
Yeah, bro.
Gracias.
Thank you.
Yeah,
What's your YouTube?
it's on there. It's all the same. KovertMecha.
That's cool. That is cool. I appreciate it. Thank you.
No problem, man. You want to race down there or down there?
I don't know, just like, I don't know, whatever you want to do.
Probably down there.
Out here.
Yeah. That close? Ever. Good shit, man. Have a good one, dude. It's about to rain. We gotta get home.